enough. Breathe, girls. 2 seat, 1 stroke. One more. Okay. Okay, we got this. Just breathe. Two seat, 1 stroke. Okay. We got this. 2 seat, 1 stroke. One more. Okay. Enough. We got this, girls. What just happened? We got this. 1 minute. Two seat, 1 light stroke. Okay. We got this, girls. Why not? Last time on the water with this time, I'm gonna let it all out on the course.
Not too much, Amanda.
2 seat, 1 light tap.
Favorite island.
Okay.
Green Lake.
Breathe. Relax.
Amanda.
You do
Amanda
it.
B. Holy name.
Breathe.
Go.
Half! Half! 3/4, more from ports. 3/4. Full, high 20 here. That's 1, get it back. 2, 3, walk it up. 4, you're at 35. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, walk away, another 10 here, that's 1. 2, you're at 39, slow it down. 3, walk away. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, settle in 2, that's 1. And 2, take 10 to settle right here, that's 1. 2, walk away from them, girls. 3, 4, find your set. 5, 6, 7, 35, 8, slow it down. 9, and 10. Lane 1 is walking it up. Lane 4 is walking away. They have 2 seats up, girls. Lane 1, we have 4 seats up on them. Last chance to blackout right now. You're out of 35. You have to hit that 30. Keep it steady. Set that rate right now. Get your time in bow 6. Get it back with your stern pair. They're setting that 30 right now. Pull ahead. You're pulling 150. You're out of 32. Hit that 30 right now, girls. In 2, you're taking a rhythm 10. That's 1 and 2. Use this 10 to find your rhythm. Set this as a boat. You're at 33. That's 2. 3. You're at 35. You have to slow it down in the bow. Girls, get it together. Right here. Find your rhythm. Work together as a boat. You've been building up for this moment this whole season. Work together as a boat. Right now, lane 4 is getting open water. We're barely ahead of lane 1. We're even with lane 3, lane 5, and lane 1. Lane 2. Get it right here. Sit up right now. You're out of 32. Find your rhythm. Set that rhythm right now. 500 meters in 2. You're taking a power 10. That's 1. Take this for the boat. And 2. Power 10 right here. That's 1. You do not stop. 2. 3. Attack right now, girls. 4. Dig deep and fight. 5. 6. You push it all out right now. This is our last time on the water together. You leave it all out on the course right now. You're pulling 151. Pull ahead of lane 3 right now. Lane 5 is pulling ahead. We're even with lane 3. Keep it right now, girls. Sit up right now. You're out of 34. You have to slow it down. Attack, girls. Remember everything single 2K you have done this season. You've been building up for this moment. Walk away from lane 1 right now in 2. You're taking power 10. That's 1 and 2 right now, girls. That's 1. Take it right now. Do this for the girls in this boat that you're sitting in this boat with, that you've been sitting in this boat with for this whole season. This is the end of the season, girls. You're going to sit up. You're going to leave it all out on the course right now. Put it all on the course right now, girls. Another day on Green Lake. You're out of 33. Slow it down. 770 meters in. You're coming up on that middle move soon, girls. You're going to walk away. You're going to sit up. You're going to walk away. You're out of 32. Set a pace. Set that rhythm, girls. Good. Sit up right now. You're 1,200 meters away from that podium, girls. We're going to get that medal. Sit up right now. Show me how much you want it. In 2, you're taking power 10. That's 1 and 2. You're walking away right now. That's 1 2, walk away from those other boats, girls. 3, lane 5 has 2. Lane 5 has 2 seats. Girls, slow it down. There's no rush here. You're out of 33. Do not rush this. You need to set a pace. You're 50 meters away from that sprint. Get it back with your stroke seat right now, girls. This is so important. You have to get this with your stroke seat right now. Focus into the boat. Row this with her. And 2, you're taking that middle move. That's 1, and you're walking away. And 2, walk away right now. Lane 3 is pulling ahead. Line 5 is walking away. Lane 6 is walking away. You walk it back. Walk it right back up on them, girls. Walk it right back. Good. Do it right now. You're pulling 151. You're going to sim and finish this one strong. Good. And 2, you're taking that power 10. That's 1 and 2. Okay, crank it up, girls. Lane 5 is pulling ahead. They have 2 seats up, even with lane 3. And lane 6 has 1 seat up on us. You cannot let them take this from you. You're out of 32. Find your rate right here. Set that 30, girls. You have to make that change. You cannot let yourself get excited by this. Sit up and do this now. And 2, Ella and Faye, you're taking that power 10. That's 1 and 2. Power 10 right here. Ella, Ricky is cheering you on from the sidelines. Pull this for her. Faye, Beatrix, and Henry are cheering you on right now. They're in this boat with you right now. So do this for them. Good. Eleanor and Claire. And 2, you're taking that pair 10. That's 1 and 2. Eleanor and Claire. Claire, your mom is watching you from the sideline right now, cheering you on. She's in this boat with you. You're going to pull this for her. You're going to walk this up right now. Eleanor, all your friends, they're in this boat from that sideline. They're with you in this boat. They're pulling as hard as you are. Do it right now. You're sprinting, girls. You're out of 34. Slow it down. In 2, Anjali and Carly, you're taking that power 10. That's 1, 2. Anjali and Carly, your friends are right here. Carly Grace is in this boat with you right now. She is with you. You know if she was in this boat, she'd be yelling so hard for you. Anjali, your friends are in this boat, cheering you on. Push hard for them. Sit up now and pull this for them. In 2, Ivy and Sophia G, you're taking that power 10. That's 1 and 2. Do this right now. Ivy, Honor, and Zoe are ready race. They're cheering you on right now. You're going to get on that podium for them. Sophia G, your brother's watching you. He's cheering you on. And Neve is watching you. They're sitting up right now. You know, they're in this boat. They'll be pulling as hard as you are. And 2, you're taking power 10. That's 1 and 2. Walk away right now. Lane 5 has 3 seats. Even with lane 6, I'm on there, Coxswain. Right now, girls. You're pulling ahead. You're getting those medals. Good. You're 400 meters away from that podium, from that medal. You're taking it right now. We're even with lane 4. You're getting up on that podium, girls. You're sitting up right now. You're at 152. You're not far from that sprint, girls. You're going to sit up. You're going to do it now. Bring up the rate in 2. That's 1, 2. You're out of 32. Up 2 and 2. That's 1 and 2. You're at 34. We're sprinting right now, ladies. All out on the course. This is our last race together. Push it now. All out on the course right now. Lily and Naomi are watching. They're watching our last race as novices at regionals. Pour it all out on the course right now. We're even with lane 6. They're pulling ahead, girls. You pull ahead. You push right now. And you get on that podium no matter what. Do whatever it takes to get on that podium. We're even with lane 5 and lane 6. You pull ahead right now. And 2, you're taking that power set for Lily and Naomi. That's 1 and 2. Right now, crank it up, girls. You have to pull your hardest. Do it right now, as hard as you can. All out on the course. You pull ahead right now. In front of lane 5, lane 6. You pull ahead right now. You're getting on that podium, ladies. Last couple strokes. You sit up right now. You do this strong. You do this proud. You represent. You're pulling ahead of lane 5 right now. Get it back, girls. They're pulling ahead. They're not that far behind us, girls. You pull ahead. I'm on there, Coxswain. They want this as much as we do. You pull ahead right now. You sit up and you pull ahead. Do this right now for the boat, girls. Sit up. Do this for everyone watching. They're in this boat with you right now. You finish this one strong. And wait enough. I have no idea. That was too close to know. I was on their Coxswain. Split was 152.6. Girls, cheer on this boat coming up. Great job, girls. Time was 7:51.4. Oh god. Oh my god. That was... Oh my god. That was so close. You've... What? Is that Saman? Oh, but they're both the Samamishes. Oh my god, okay. Girls, I'm sorry. Okay, Portrait, starboard's back.